keeping families healthy.
It is a scientific fact that the human nerve system controls, coordinates, harmonizes all aspects of health, healing, and repair inside of the human body. If any of the bones, any of the 24 movable vertebrae in the spine, 7 in the neck, 12 in the mid-back, 5 in the lower back, and you have a sacrum and a coccyx, if any of those bones shift out of alignment, they can irritate, they can place pressure and stress on the spinal cord, on the nerves themselves, and affect the normal neurological transmission, the energy that's flowing through the spine out to those organs, tissues, and cells. Block off, break the communication, interfere with the transmission, and call that spinal cord a river of life, carrying the very life, healing, and repair, the energy that your body needs to stay well and healthy. When the bones move out of alignment, it blocks that communication, thereby throwing the body out of balance, thus allowing then the body to grow sickness, illness, and disease, lose its very capacity to heal and repair.
Heal me with love.